Welcome back to Sui Crypto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started trading on RaidenX, which is a top trading bot platform for Sui ecosystem, meme coins, and AI agents. We'll go through the process step by step of setting up an account with RaidenX, and then we'll make a trade at the end to show you how it works. But before we get started, please note nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education, entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. So RaidenX, it's just RaidenX.io. This is similar to BullX, which is very popular for Solana meme coin trading, Base, Blast, and so on. So RaidenX is that tool specifically for Sui ecosystem, meme coins, and AI agent tokens. So there's a couple of big advantages to using a trading bot platform like RaidenX. First of all is visibility into the entire ecosystem and all the tokens in it. For example, here on FundZone, you can see all the newly created AI and meme coin tokens on the fair launch sites. You can see what's about to graduate, and you can see what's graduating all in one place. You don't need to have Turbos Fund, 7K Fund, Hop Fund, all the different fair launch sites open in different tabs to monitor it. You can do it all here in one location. You also can trade here without having to go out to a DEX. It eliminates that friction of having to go out to, Cetus for Turbos or 7K aggregator. You can make the trades all in one place, quickly, efficiently. So those are the two big things, right? Before we get started setting this up to trade, let's take a look at what it has to offer first. So by default, you're going to be on new pairs. This is going to show the latest tokens in the ecosystem as they're created. Take a look here. You'll see liquidity, market cap, total number of transactions, volume, and here's the audit security check information. If we click on filters, you can see that this is pulling from all of the Sui ecosystem DEXs and fair launch platforms: Cetus, Turbos Fund, Hop Fund, Blue Move, Move Pump, 7K, and Bluefin. By default, it's going to select all of them, but you could turn this off and just say I want to only see what's coming off of Turbos Fund and Cetus, whatever you prefer. Audit check, this is going to give you all the key information to make sure it's safe before aping into any of these. So then you can also do these advanced settings, right? Minimum amount of liquidity, volume, market cap, and total transactions. So again, very similar to what we've seen on other popular trading bot platforms on Solana. Let's take a look at FundZone. Find the best bonding curve platforms, tokens, and track their latest migrations. And again, if we filter it here, you can see it's pulling from Turbos Fund, Hop Fund, Move Pump, 7K, Bluefin, and now Sui AI, which is huge, right? We've talked about Sui AI in our last couple of videos as a fair launch platform for AI agents on Sui. So they by default have that in here as well. So you can see the new creations, what's about to graduate from those platforms, and what has graduated. So this is great, super helpful. It looks like they have an airdrop coming at some point, airdrop points. Here's the criteria right here. You can read through this if you're interested. Qualifying for the airdrop, make your first trade, join RaidenX announcements on Telegram, and so on. They also have a referral program. So it looks like once you get the bot set up, you'll be able to generate a custom referral link. And if we go to trending, here's all the trending tokens in the ecosystem. Top gainers coming soon, new pools coming soon. By default, it's going to be sorted 24 hours. You can go to 6 hours, 1 hour, and so on, all the way down to 5 minutes. Again, you can apply filters here. That's the basics of what this is. So let's go ahead and go through the process of setting this up. I have not done this, so we're going to do this together. So please excuse me in advance if there are some hiccups along the way, but hopefully this will be helpful. You can see the process and can follow along if this is something of interest to you. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click on connect to sign in. It's going to open Telegram, and we're going to say open Telegram desktop. What is RaidenX? The fastest trading bot for Sui. Millions of trading opportunities delivered in milliseconds. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click start. It says welcome to RaidenX, the fastest trading bot on Sui. It says lightning fast indexing, real-time honeypot and security checks, pro level UI navigation, up to second stats and charts, first of its kind Telegram web integration. Hit login webbot button below to complete your sign in. Once logged in, kickstart your trading journey with RaidenX, Telegram, and web host. So let's go ahead and click login webbot. Log into your RaidenX account by clicking the button below. Open this link, we'll say open. The fastest trading bot for Sui, get started. It says you must have a wallet to continue. Click import wallet or generate to obtain your RaidenX trading wallet. Yeah, so you can generate a new wallet or you can import your private keys. In this case, let's go with generate new wallet. All right, so it says we generated the wallet below for you. You can use this wallet directly or feel free to delete it, create new wallet, or import personal wallets as needed. We're going to use this wallet. Down here it says please copy the private key below and store it in a safe location. Your private key will not be displayed again. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this information, my address and my private key. Obviously never show your private key to anyone for any wallet that you create. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to make multiple copies of it. Suggest you do the same, and I'll be right back. So after you've generated a wallet and copied down your private key in the last step and click the continue button, it's going to take you back to RaidenX. and you can see we're now logged in with our account story 3. And I'm going to go to wallet manager. You can see there's 2 wallets in here right now. I accidentally clicked the generate new wallet button twice, so it made 2 new wallets, which isn't a big deal. I believe you can have as many in here as you want. You can see there's an option right here to even generate new like that, so it just made a 3rd wallet. Well, that's nice though, right? Just depending on your strategy, you can have as many in here as you want, so not a big deal. In this example, let's use the top one, and now my next option is I could fund this wallet and use this to trade. So I would just click on deposit, and then this is my deposit address, so this is my receive address. So I would send Sui to this address from another wallet that I have Sui in, or from a centralized exchange like Coinbase or Kraken that you have Sui on. I always recommend the first time sending to a new wallet address, start small, like a half a Sui or 1 Sui, just to make sure you have it correct, and then scale up from there. So the next step would be to deposit some Sui into your wallet, whether it's this one you're using, this one, or this one. Or another option, and the one we're going to use in this example, is to import an existing wallet. So we're going to click import. So if you already have a wallet that has some Sui in it and you want to use that versus sending Sui to the new wallet address generated, you can do this option, which we're going to do right now. So I need to paste in the private key from the wallet that I want to import. So for example, this is the wallet that I want to import. I have some Sui in here as well as some other tokens. So I'm going to go ahead and click on manage, and then I'm going to click on export private key of the wallet I want to export. I'm going to enter the password for the wallet. Obviously, never show your private key to anyone. I'm going to go ahead and copy it. I'm going to go back to my RaidenX account, and I'm going to paste it here and click confirm. I'm going to pause the video. I'll be right back. Okay, so you can see my wallet imported successfully. You can see it showing a Sui balance of 4.235. And then if you wanted to click on the edit name, just so it's easier to manage, main wallet, we'll call it, save. Very simple, right? So now I have one in here with a little bit of Sui, so we can show the example of buying something. But again, I also have 3 other wallets to work with. I can make new ones. So if you wanted to spread things out and have a different strategy for each wallet, you could do that as well. You can withdraw at any time by clicking on the withdraw button, selecting the wallet that you want to withdraw funds from, enter the wallet address that you want to send them to, the amount, and confirm. You also have the ability to distribute funds. So for example, choose your from wallet, right? We could say this main one, which has 4.2 Sui in it, and then you could send, like break that up. Let's say I want to send 1 to this one and 1 to this one, right? And then just enter the amount and confirm. Maybe you have Sui on Coinbase, you're like, I don't want to have to individually send to each one of these. You could just send it to one and then just use this distribute functionality. You could also consolidate. So a lot of different options. Pretty easy to get started funding. It's nice to be able to have a bunch of different wallets in here if you want. Again, maybe you have different strategies for each one. All right, so I just refreshed the page after importing our wallet in the last step, and you can see that all the tokens in that wallet now show up under open positions, which is really cool. You can see your total portfolio balance. You can see I'm down bad on this one at the moment, but still really like this project. I just feel like the AI agent narrative right now has full control, not only over Sui ecosystem tokens, but really in Solana and Base as well. I'm hopeful that when Phantom Wallet and Backpack Wallet integrate Sui, eventually some of that volume will rotate into traditional memes like Akat, which again I think is a great project, Blub, and some of the others I've mentioned in previous videos. Nevertheless, that's not the point of this video. What I want to show is full transparency, that you can see this is a really clean UI to see what you have. Closed positions, you can see this. All right, so let's go ahead and go to trending, and we're going to go through the process of making a trade on here just to see how it works. So I could go through here, see if there's anything I like. I could go to Fund Zone, where it's going to pull in all of the fair launch sites like Turbos Fund, Hot Fund, and so on that we showed earlier. You could also go with the strategy of watching new pairs that are launched in real time in the ecosystem. If that's of interest to you, you could go to trending, take a look at all the trending tokens here. You could also use Deck Screener, right, which I'm going to do in this example because specifically I have one that I want to use as the purchase example, which is Sui AI, ticker symbol SUAI. This is the main fair launch platform for AI agents on Sui, and so I want to buy the underlying token for this platform. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the contract address right here, and then we'll go back to RaidenX and we'll click on search and paste it in. There it is. And what's nice, you can see your buys and sells really easily. The first video I made on this one, we actually made a purchase in that video right around here, and then I've made a couple more since. I love being able to see your personal trading history, and so I'm going to buy a little bit more of this. I have some in this wallet. Let's take a look, and you can see right here Sui AI, SUAI. AI. I still have $40 worth of it in here, so I'm going to add to that. So you can see here are the buy options, right? You can do market order, and that's just going to go through at whatever the price is, or you can do a limit order and say, hey, I want to buy it if it dips back down to like 40 million market cap. If it hits that, it'll trigger the buy. Same thing with sell. This is really nice. So you could sell it at market if you wanted to, whatever the market price is, or limit. So you could say, I want to take profit on this thing if it hits like 70 million, and you could set a limit order and just say like 25%, you know, sell 200 Sui AI at if it hits 70 million. You could also set a stop loss, right? And say, hey, if it hits 41, sell. So that's kind of nice. We'll go back to buy. And in this example, we'll just use market. You can see here's the total I have in this wallet, 800 Sui AI. I'm going to buy, let's say 2. So we're going to buy 2 Sui worth. Click on buy. Submitting, success, went through that quickly. And if you look right here, you can see I have over 1,000 Sui AI now, and my Sui balance is down to 2.23. So that's pretty simple, really easy to use. So I see a lot of potential with RaidenX. Again, very similar to BullX, which is very popular for Solana meme coin trading. So it's nice to have something like this specifically for the Sui ecosystem. Again, the main benefits of this is that you can see everything in one location from all of the dexes and fair launch sites. It also eliminates the need to have to go out to a DEX to make a swap. They do have some type of airdrop, it looks like, coming, and then you can also use the referral program right here and share it on X to earn some commissions. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next one.